Every lasting legacy begins with a single thread, a spark of inspiration and a promise for the future. For over 40 years, LAT Apparel has set the standard in craftsmanship, boldly dedicated to creating clothing truly worthy of those we care about most. What began as a father's quest for quality has grown into a vibrant brand portfolio, Rabbitskins and Live&TELL. Headquartered in Georgia and built on connection, LAT Apparel brings together talented professionals, distributors, and partners to deliver apparel that excites, empowers, and inspires, weaving storytelling and a genuine sense of belonging into every piece. LAT Apparel is more than a company. It's a living legacy, crafted with intention, built on trust, guided by purpose, and chosen by those who seek comfort that connects.